Like we have seen, constructors are the one which are automatically invoked each time we create an object. So like every object is associated with some instance variables, and whatever memory is required for creation of an object, that memory allocation is also being done along with the constructor being called. Now, destructor is something which does the opposite job. It is also one kind of very special method which will be again called automatically, but when the object is deleted or it goes out of scope. So usually after you create the object, you do the necessary operations. Once the object is not any more use, so automatically your Python virtual machine is going to call the garbage collector, which is going to take out the object that is not in use anymore. But apart from that, if at all manually we want to invoke that destructor through which the garbage collection has to happen, then we can take the help of destruct. So the syntax of destructor is we start with double underscore del followed by double underscore, and there is only one parameter. This is default, that is yourself. So unlike your constructor, constructor we have seen already, there are two types of constructor, right? Parameterized constructor and non-parameterized. But destructor, we do not have any categories. There is only one category, that is destructor without having any parameter, where self is of course a necessary one. Now let's look into the example. So here we took some class, let's say some student, and this is our constructor. In fact, it is a parameterized constructor where I'm trying to initialize a variable, say name, and I'm just flashing a message like the name has been created. This is a normal instance method which is just going to print whatever name we have set, and this is our destructor. And here we have just written a message like destructor called, and whatever name or whatever the instance variable we have initialized, we are just trying to delete it. So when this particular line gets executed where I'm creating the object of the class student along with this value, so obviously the control will directly go to the constructor, and this Sunil will be copied into the name, which is consequently assigned to the instance variable name. And immediately we get the value being displayed. Sunil has been created. This is the message I'm going to get out of it. Now, once this line execution is over, now when we reach the second line where we are invoking the display method with the object S1. So now it goes to display method. So this self is going to take up S1. Hence, I get the detail like hello, my name is, self is S1. So with S1 already we have set the value Sunil. So I'll be getting like hello, my name is Sunil. Now, here we manually trying to delete the object S1. And whenever we want to delete any object, we use the keyword that is del. So del followed by the object name. So the del S1, this is the one which will delete the object, and when the object is deleted, automatically the destructor is being called. And as a result, I get this message printed on the screen like destructor called, and what is the self dot name is, that is Sunil, is deleted. So let's see the example now. So this is our constructor like we have shown in the slide, and this is the normal instance method, and this is our destructor. So here we are creating the object which will invoke the constructor, and this will invoke the instance method display, and finally when S1 object is deleted, the destructor will be called. So now when I run this, we get the message. This is the message because of the constructor being called automatically. This is the result of the display method that we have called along with the object S1. And finally, when we are deleting the object like del followed by S1, the destructor is being called.